All right, are you guys getting an error when you're trying to open up download MP4 from Google Photos? This is what I'm getting, and I figured out why. I was doing some Googling, and I found out I have a MacBook, so I found out when I opened up the file, this file especially, it's now codec VP09. So VP09 is Google's compressed codec when you're uploading. So if you're trying to upload and not use the original video size per se to save space and money, they're going to use this VP09. And it's just a recent thing. Before they were using the standard, I don't know if you want to call it standard, but basically it was called H.264 codec, which is what the Mac OS likes. Final Cut Pro is what I use to edit, and Quicktime obviously to view the videos, and it's not converting to or downloading as H.264, and that's the cause. I've been finding it on some Apple forums as well to confirm my suspicions, and so far I haven't seen a fix besides a temporary workaround, which is kind of cost-wise not a great idea. Basically, you're going to set your uploads to original size. That's going to take up more space, and it probably will cost you more money because your video is going to take up a lot more on a Google Drive or Google Cloud. So I think it's a money maker thing that either Google or Apple or all of them are doing for us. But whatever, that's just the way it works as far as a workaround from my understanding. The other way you can do it is download and look for a converter, pay for a converter. Sorry, my son is yapping. Pay for the VP09 or V09. What was it again? I'm sorry. VP09 09 codec converter to convert this to H.264, and then it works. But you're doing a double hassle, right? You're downloading twice, or actually downloading once and converting it. So it is what it is for now. So if you guys are having that problem, that's what I heard so far. If you got any other workarounds or fixes, that'd be great to share. Post below the comments, okay? Thanks for watching. Peace out.